Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Zhou. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a data-driven decision by leveraging machine learning and ChatGPT. There is no single code is needed. Let me share my screen and get started. Data-driven decision making, machine learning with ChatGPT. Machine Learning Made Easy, No Coding by Dr. Zhou. Firstly, I want to introduce myself briefly. I do have over 20 years of experience. I have built many machine learning models across many industries, about 10 industries from banking, insurance company to manufacture, education, sports, and I have code those machine learning models using Python and SQL and other tools such as R. But recently, I have found that with ChatGPT, everyone can take advantage of the wonderful power of machine learning. So that is the motivation. I created this course and I want to share it with everyone. Why data-driven machine learning? This is because the business in our age is very complex. We cannot depend on our intuition rules to make decisions. As a result, we need to have more powerful tools such as machine learning to make fast decision and more accurate decision. And as we know, the data are exploding. The amount of data are generated every day. Every time when we do practically anything, right? When we drive, when we eat, when we walk with our phone, when we use our phone, all those activities generate data and they are stored somewhere. On the other hand, it's very difficult to derive actionable insights from this data given the methods that we are having today. So there is a bottleneck between the data and business decisions. Traditional methods of making decisions based on intuition and personal experience do not work anymore because the inherent limitation of our mental capacity and there are a lot of biases in our cognitive capacity. We need to take data-driven approach to overcome the efficiency and the ineffectiveness in our human brain. The benefits of data-driven decision making, we have improved accuracy. For example, a model that I built for a bank, it reduced the check fraud by 70% due to its accuracy in predicting fraud. Increased efficiency with machine learning model. If the market condition changes, we can always gather newer data and refresh our models. Then the model will be adapted to the new situation. And of course, machine learning model give us competitive advantage in the market as we are making more rational, more objective, and better decisions than our competitors do. Scalability with machine learning model, we can deal with millions of records. We can deal with billions of data points in very fast way. So it's way more efficient than human decision. Unfortunately, there is a barrier that prevents most of us from using machine learning. Coding is one of the reason, right? Not every business people knows about how to write Python code or SQL code. And also, there are a lot of technical details building machine learning models that are limited to data scientists who learned about those technical details. Business people are not able to build machine learning models without using Python or other program language. But that's not anymore with tools available such as ChatGPT. No coding required. In the next um, minutes, I will show you how to build a machine learning model from scratch without writing a single line of code. And we will be working exclusively within ChatGPT environment. And we will make a business decision. We'll be focusing on business insights without worrying about the tedious part of coding. That's wonderful, even for data scientists like me. Let's see it in action. Okay, this is ChatGPT 4.0. The first step is load the data. Suppose we have a text file in the format of CSV. I will show you what it looks like once it's loaded. It's called scale salary, CSV. So I load this file. I will say, please show me the first first 10 a few rows from the data. Okay, it loads the data and show us the first few rows. So what do I have here? So it has many people, one person per row. It has a degree, a name, years of experience, skill set, such as human resource, finance, computer, and the salary. After looking at this data set, so we know it describes the skills and degrees and experience and salaries. This is very interesting. Let's do some exploration to understand the data better. That is almost always the first step is to understand the data. For example, we want to show the average salary by degree, right? Show the average salary by degree. Present it in bar chart. It's working. Oh, nice. We have bar chart here, an average salary. It looks normal, right? PhDs are earning the highest salary, and high schoolers are least paid, and master's is better than bachelor degrees. So this makes sense, right? Then let's do another exercise. We want to find out skill set. Show the same report for skill set. Oh, nice. So skill set. So computer skill is earning the highest salary, and the finance is making the lowest salary. Marketing, right, is somewhere in the middle, and the HR too. And so those are good. Also, we can look at the histogram of salary to get a good understanding of the distribution, right? Show me the histogram of salary. These tasks are typical. It's called EDA, exploratory data analysis, and it's typically done with Python code. But here, as we can see, we just use English to ask ChatGPT to do all those hard work for us. We don't have to be a programmer anymore. So this shows the salary. It looks like a normal distribution, right? Most people are making around $80,000, right? It's very normal. We may see some abnormal here in the middle, but that frequency is very low. It's not an issue, right? So let's see, show the relationship between years of experience and the salary. How about that? To show the relationship between years of experience and salary. We'll see what it will do. Okay, so it's to plot, this is called the scatter plot. So the x-axis is the years of experience and y is salary. As we see here, it's linear relationship roughly and pretty nicely, which says the more years of experience you have, generally, the higher the salary. So we have very good understanding of the data now. We can ask other questions, for example, how many rows in the data? 100 rows, okay. How many rows by degree? So nice. A lot of high schoolers, master 27, by PhD 21, bachelor's 19 rows. Oh, good. So we are doing those data understanding tasks easily without leaving ChatGPT, without writing a single line of Python code. It's wonderful, right? Even for programmers or data scientists like myself, I enjoy the easiness of working this way. It really makes me asking more questions instead of coding. This is a great shift of our energy and our attention, right? We will be asking more creative, more imaginary questions, which is good. Now, we want to build a machine learning model. The problem we want to solve probably is this. For example, we want to figure out the salary based on degree, years of experience, and the skill set, right? Suppose our company is hiring someone with PhD, 5 years of experience, and in computer scale. What is his projected salary? Right? It would be nice if we can figure that things out so we can offer the salary in a very reasonable way, right, based on the data. So this is a machine learning problem, and it's a regression problem. The target or y variable is salary, and the x variable is degree, years of experience, and skill set. So with this model, if it's built, the HR can take advantage of this model and figure out the salary for a candidate or job candidate, right? That way, HR can make the best offers, which is reasonable salary to the candidate. So how to do that? Now, this is a machine learning model. I will say, tell ChatGPT, please. Normally, to build a model, we will split the data into two parts, training set and test set randomly by 80-20 percentage. So we'll say, please split the data randomly into 80% and 20%. For them, training set and testing set respectively. This is just some standard practice. We split the data into two parts. Okay, yeah, it's okay, I guess. Now, let's build a machine learning model. Please build a machine learning model based on training set using age, using degree, skill set, and years of experience to predict salary. So it generated this Python stuff. And it actually does that for us. R square, 98. Mean square, why is that big? Let me, so, okay, let me see what's going on here. What is the mean root square error? Calculate. Okay, apply the model to the testing set and calculate R square. Okay, this is already based on testing set. Okay, that's fine. Now, please make prediction on the testing set show me the actual salary and the predicted salary. Okay, this is the actual salary, and this is predicted salary. Okay, this predicted salary is yeah, has too many decimal point, right? Please truncate the predicted salary to the whole number. Okay, this looks better. Yeah, better. Now we have actual salary and predicted salary for training set, for testing set here. What we want to do is suppose we have a job candidate. Okay, suppose we have a job candidate. He has PhD, 7 years of experience. Skill set is computer. What is his projected salary based on the model? So based on the model is this, right? $105,000, right? 807. Then we can play with it and say, what if his experience is 10 years more, 17 years? Everything else in the same. So if the salary is, if he has 10 more years of experience, he will be making like $26,000 more. Yeah. Also, I can ask, um, what kind of model is it? Right. This is a technical question. We don't actually, I don't have to ask. So here it shows the difference in year makes. To make it more understandable, let's do 1 year. We'll see what 1 year difference makes. So his years of experience is actually 8. So with 1 year experience, it costs this much difference, right? Then let's play with it even more. We see is the job candidate, not PhD degrees, but high schooler. Everything being the same, right? His salary is. So from PhD to high schooler, the downgrade in degree caused a lot of a decrease in salary, right? Then what if he has a master degree? So master degree dropped a little bit than PhD, but it's way better than high schooler. So we can see this machine learning model is working, right? Let's play with another factor, which is skill set, right? We take this same person, PhD, 7 years of experience, skill set is finance. So if the same degree, same years of experience, but in finance skill set, his salary is lower, right? Much lower. It's $15,000 lower. So with this machine learning model, we are able to make very good decisions, right? It's objective, and I think this is great because behind it, if we do the same work with Python, it requires a lot of coding. It may take hours, and there may be bugs, right? We have to double check. It may take even a day or two to do similar work. But with ChatGPT, everyone can build a machine learning model with this ChatGPT environment and ask questions, make predictions, right? Try different scenarios. I think this is revolutionary. Basically, everyone can make data-driven decisions with machine learning. Now let's go back to my slides. Right? Yeah, it's working. Well, yeah, we have seen it in action. So conclusion, ChatGPT revolutionized revolutionizes how we approach data, enabling everyone to become a data-driven decision maker. Dr. Zhou, myself, my contact information, my emails, and my LinkedIn profile. You are welcome to send me connection requests. I have more than 2,000 connections. Yeah, I'm happy to make new friends with you on LinkedIn. I hope you enjoy this lesson. It's a revolutionary tool. I think ChatGPT is one of the greatest invention since human civilization. The way we work will be changed. We will become more productive and more efficient. Thank you. Until next time, I will produce more courses like this. Or you can contact me and let me know what you want to learn. I can create courses for your needs. Take care. Bye.